Hello guys, bago ko umpisahan yung ating mixing sharing ng kaalaman about automotive, nais ko muna kayong pasalamatan sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa aking channel. So, lagi kayong mag-ingat at lalo na hindi pa natatapos ang ating dinaranas na pandemya ngayon. So, darasal ko rin na kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan lagi. I-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-release ng electric parking brake para mapalitan natin ng rear brake pads. So, nagamit tayo ng MUT brake, then i-release natin yung electric parking brake. So, input natin yung vehicle model. So meron tayong Outlander na 2018 model, 3.0 engine. Yung type niya ay GF4W. Tapos yung class XL, XY, ZLW. So yan. Tapos punta tayo sa electric parking brake. So ito yun mga guys. So naka-highlight na yan. Click natin yung OK. So kailangan naka-switch on yung ating ignition switch. Tapos i-click natin tong electric parking brake. Tapos pindutin natin tong OK. Then, ito tayo sa actuator test. Then, for release control. So, click natin yan. Then, click natin yung off. Okay. Then, click natin tong check. Then click natin tong actuator test executing. Okay, so finish actuator test. So naka-off na tayo. So yan, naka-release na yung ating electric parking brake sa caliper. Then yung time dyan na yung time na pwede na tayo magpalit ng ating brake pads. Disconnect the harness connector. Okay, disconnect the harness connector. Then remove all the bolts. Okay. I video. Your finger, then cover the camera. So put the special tools, caliper piston. Okay, then twist like this, tighten so that the piston get inside the chamber. Okay, then that's the one already inside the piston. Caliper is inside the cylinder. Okay, then you can easily fix the new brake pads. Fix the plate. Remove the plate here in the old brake pads, then fix it to the new brake pads. Okay? So ito na yung bagong brake pads natin. Tapos kapit natin yung ating plate ng ating brake pads. Nilagyan natin ng lubrication para sa anti-squeak. Okay? So yan. So yan, ikabitan natin. Then the inner side brake pads, kabit natin. Okay, yung inner brake pads, meron ding plate at saka yung wearing device. Ito yun. Okay, kailangan meron yan para pag manipis na, yan ang magbibigay ng warning na manipis na yung brake pads, kasi ito tatama to sa ating rotor disc. Yan ang magbibigay squeak na magre-remind na manipis na yung pads. Okay, so fix natin sa loob. So yan. Okay, fix na natin. Then kabit natin yung caliper. So ito, in-install natin yung caliper bolt. Yan, lower and upper. So yan, itatight na natin. Then connect natin yung ating harness connector. Okay, so ito guys, kailangan 17mm na open range at saka 14 para hindi umiikot yung ating caliper bolt. Tapos ikita natin. Okay, then sa lower side naman, yung lower bolt ang i-tight natin. Video, so straight camera. Yeah. So press the caliper using the pressing tools so that the piston get inside the cylinder. Okay, then we can easily fix the brake pad in the caliper mounting. More kalat. Okay, so he's a hard-working mechanic. Okay. This side is the real right side brake caliper. So now we are fixing replacing the brake pads and fixing the rear right caliper. Okay, and the bolt. Where's the bolt? Mosmar. to fixing tires.